get it. Let's get it.
Hey, Chico, what up, my nigga?
Grinch, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer who had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw him alone, you would think that it glows. One Sunday morning, yo, Rudolph came to slay with the rest of them. Rudolph came to play. Rudolph was to stand out there. They jealous of Rudolph, the rest of them. You know how it is. Brother and sister wanted to go against Rudolph because he's special. One of the most time they keep, you know, they're going to start to steal Christmas from Rudolph. You know how that is. Rudolph was ready to slay, man. Rudolph with your nose so bright. Won't you leave this sleigh like Santa said, baby? Won't you leave my sleigh tonight? See, they was trying to steal Christmas from Rudolph. You know how that be, because he had the red-nosed Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. No matter what's going on. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. He had a very shiny nose. I said, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. But if you ever saw him, you would really say it glowed. Yeah. You know, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer really glowed. Yeah. Santa probably had that blow up his nose, whatever. But just do your thing, baby. I told you it's a trap of Christmas. Excuse me. Santa on that shit, drinking no lean and smoking on that weed. Santa got Miss Claus up in the club, shaking ass. Throw the ones on that stripper body, pop that ass up on it. On Santa, Mrs. Claus, shake that ass while throw them ones up on you, baby. Ooh, super booty. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. You would even say it go. It's a trapper season for the trappers out here. Yup, trapper Christmas. Shit, trapper Christmas for all the niggas out here, yo. Hey, Rudolph, we really love you too. With that red-nosed deer, won't you move your sleigh like it's supposed to? It's a motherfucking trapper Christmas. You know how it is, rapper Christmas by any means necessary. We gon' get the means and count them greens no matter what. Yo, fart on them niggas like it's beans, how we stink it up with this good old loud pipe. Santa, don't believe the hype, I'm coming through. Nigga, what? Nah, I ain't got no pipe. I'm Santa, I don't do that, baby. But I'm coming through. I told you I need a fan of love or pop. Won't you do that? Hey, what up to the girl Kelly Rowland? I want a Fanta. Can you give me a Fanta, baby? I'm trying to be Santa, baby, up in the hood. I'ma smoke my weed and drink my lean. You know how it is, nice and clean for the kitties. Yeah. Put some dope up in my blow. You know how that is, little mama. Ain't no need for all this little drama.